नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज के इस टीपीएम सेशन में हम बात करेंगे केके लॉस नंबर 10 मोशन लॉस. Motion loss is a loss where is the waste of time and effort caused by unnecessary movement of operator that does not add value to the product. The example like walking long distance, searching for tool, getting materials. So everything unnecessary move is a hidden loss. So reduce waste, improve productivity and lower cycle time for the better workplace. This is the motion loss example. If you see, first one is searching for tool, walking long distance to get materials, reaching, bending, twisting repeatedly, looking for gauges or documents, excessive movements due to poor workplace layout, repeated handling of parts, poor workstation ergonomics, elimination motion loss, better layout, iOS visual management, ergonomic workstation, standard work and improve efficiency. Reduce waste, save time, improve productivity. To continue with these typical shop floor examples like 20 seconds walking to collect components, 15 seconds searching for tools, 10 seconds arranging the parts. So total 20 plus 50 plus 10 is equal to 40 seconds non-value added motion per cycle. Every cycle 40 seconds spent on non-value added motion. If repeated hundreds of times per day, these become major productivity loss. So aim is eliminate motion loss and improve productivity to reduce waste, save time and increase the output. What is the impact of motion loss? This is a hidden loss which killing the productivity. So impact of motion loss is reduce productivity, increase our cycle time, lower OE, OP, operator fatigue, ergonomic risk and higher manufacturing cost. To reduce or eliminate motion loss, these are the some of the ideas where implement iOS effectively, like iOS we are doing at the workplace, place tools at point of use, improve workstation ergonomics, use shadow boards, optimize material flow, reduce operator travel distance, standardize work methods, and conduct motion studies and videos analysis. Focus on value added work, reduce waste, save time, improve OEOP, boost productivity, lower cost is the higher profit. In the elimination of motion loss, if you eliminate unnecessary motions, reduce fatigues, improve productivity, create a safe workplace environment, means you work smarter, not harder to improve our productivity, OE and safe workplace. Remember, before Kaizen, work smarter, not harder. Every unnecessary step like reach, bend or search is an opportunity for Kaizen. So this is the before Kaizen, this is the condition like this, and after a smart Kaizen, after Kaizen, if you see you organized ergonomic efficient SEO, which is work smarter and less fatigue. Kaizen today, better tomorrow. If you found this video useful, your support motivate us. Like it help us a lot. Comment, share your thoughts, subscribe and press the icon button to got such type of video. In our next video, we will discuss about KK Pillar Loss number 11 line organization loss. Thank you for watching.